What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we have cutty line my people. You see me I say me hear my talk some things on him live and me say so me have to share this to the people you see me, it pertaining to like in people you see me, I don't know right, I don't know if all I don't know, but it's like him and him grandmother in some kind of vibes over the house. You see me I say, and me not lie my people, him wrong figure bill pan fear thing where she did start already. So she have all the right for whatever. You know what I mean? She not have all the right still now because she can make that slide in her way. But you know what I mean, him got trouble for her and her property also. You see me? So hope they can come to some agreement. You know what I mean, him give her some money and maybe him can eventually buy the place from her. You see it? Because I know say if she says she gonna sell him the place and him go up on TikTok and I do him thing, I know say the people them a go, you know what I mean, show some support for help him out with that situation there. But enough of that, you know, my people. Dan and Shay, as you already know, at it, right? So right now, my people, Dan respond to Shay and read out our own son thing them. Not really read out, but talk the things them cause Shay and make some accusation upon her son. You see me? And she make it be known to yo, nothing like that. You see me? My son, them there's something far from the name. Is it? And also have she bad about people because I think Dan did I say boy Rosealee well, something like I don't quite remember who Dan did I say have a better file. Is either Dan I say Ivany have a better file than Rosealee or Rosa. I think she said Rosealee have a better file than Ivany. You see me I say, so she give her opinion on that I think, and now she bother I give him opinion on it and I defend Ivany. You see me? So me want to tell me in the comment section with people who have the better file, Rosealee or Ivany. See, so me don't know where I left out, but definitely I go see it in the video with people. Make we kick it off.
Show the man said like, oh yeah, we done analyze some ugly according to you. Come nice and if your mother will put your pan her breast for your sockets. My nice and if your mother's woman. My nicer than even any girl where you think your cocky go through them pussies, woman. My nicer than them, I ask you. We are not going to ask and we are not going. My nicer than the lady we birth you. So we're not going to live from girl and work about girl and them looks. Zuma where you have to your name. Where you have to your name. What kind of substance you have? What kind of life you living? What kind of life you're living? So you just slump and mind you forget clothes and worry about me and my look. Zuma my skin clean. Zuma my mouth not stink. Zuma my pussy not drain. Zuma my arm not green. Zuma me a good blood clot black girl. Me a nice shape good top blood clot black girl. Zuma. Me a nice blood clot black girl. My skin clean, my body no chip up, no bust no dep on me. Me a nice blood clot black girl. Me is a 1 in a million black girl. Me a clean black girl. Me a Zuma, me a start to Zuma with blood clot a click him live and him not done. Zuma me a nice blood clot black girl. And how me head and run up and down in my head, my nicer than you and your mother and the whole of your family and put your blood clot together. Nice. The girl with the twist up girl I beat you by Zuma. But nice. Woman strength you have, but nice. 1 in a million girl. Nice blood clot black girl. But Zuma. I put on my clothes and good. That if your mama will have your pan her breast when you suck her breast when she look a baby. Till you grow up here get all cockstand for your own and woman and nice like me. But nice. put all you together and my beat all I wanna bar, all I wanna my beats, yeah. My beats all I wanna come put together, my beats all I wanna blood collab. Zuma don't reason with me. Go reason with your cocky, we stand up for your mother. So I roll cast all of this, roll it, where you want, roll it cast this, what you want?
Me cast this?
Yeah.
Where mash up your life?
Yeah, mash up Zuma life, Zuma not done. And a Zuma me attack too. Yes.
One thing I zoom now.
I don't know how hungry belly. I really want them.
Yeah. No, okay.
I don't know how hungry belly blood clot get a rat. Feel like say them is that boy. Una hungry belly boy stay on the lane. Zuma, you are nobody to in any argument with me. You are nobody to get up and talk about people and their looks. Don't talk about people and their looks. Talk about their living condition. Don't talk about people and their looks, cause Zuma, you are no cute boy. You're not giving me chat vibes. Well, the mama man and the feminine part, yeah, that I look at you. But you're not giving me a chat vibes. You're not giving me one of them top boy vibes. Zuma, you're not giving me any vibes. You're not none of them boy that say bumbo clot. You know that boy, you want sweet boy. Zuma, you have a body lip. You have a body lip, Zuma. So you want to argue with me, you have a body lip. Zuma, you want to argue with me, you want to trap on the man them body more than me. Not argue with my body lip boy. Not argue with my cocky breasts. Not argue with blood clot me. You're not get a bad like I say boy, my pussy that jump for the boy, you know, that rump on my pussy part. Zuma, you not give me them the vibes there. Zuma must see them want vomit. So now we're about girl and them looks. Oh now about girl, oh girl want look, oh girl want this, oh girl want that. Zuma and a hungry belly boy, I don't know where the next meal I come from. Eh? The time when you sit on a word about girl and them look, where boy your next meal I come from? Where about how hard life a box of ear there and blood clots everywhere? Want me to you? Relax. Take a chill pill. Calm down baby, calm down baby duppy, calm down. Calm down baby. Calm down gully monkey, relax, calm down now. Take a seat man and sit up on a cock man. Take a seat and sit up on a cock. Rest your balls on a cock. Rest your short back on a cock. Come on, eat woman, you know. So rest your blood clot mouth on a cock. Go swallow some cocky juice. Come in have any. I pussy juice me have yourself. Woman that take out my blood clot, period blood, and send it down your short back. That's all my go down deep fear boy. I'm putting a call my name. Now call you okay then? One girl could ugly every day me talk about us so. I couldn't get up on top of one ugly girl every day. I couldn't get up on top of one ugly girl every day so. You want a piece of my ugliness? You want to come fuck me as ugly? Maybe you want to fuck my Zuma? Eh? Zuma, I'm going to take your long tongue and push it up in my wall. That wanna do it boy like uno. Stretch out your blood clot beach towel within your blood clot mouth. Stretch out your beach towel and wrap it around my pussy clits.
Alright my people, so Zuma or Mackerel, which one of them more warm? Me that says Zuma still in my people, cause at the end of the day, Mackerel have sitting with me want, Zuma have nothing with me want. You see me? So Zuma warmer than Mackerel, my opinion. Tell me what you think.
Stop not chatting, stop, follow me up man. Size up with my man. Size up with my man. See if I can catch a motherfucker again and go jerk off. Don't tell Jay for this time. Tell what I can talk. And relax, man. As a man, you're just big and loud, so you're just loud and you're just agitated, you're just too enough as a man. You irritate me. I'm gonna want you blowing on my blood clot breath. You have better blowing on my face. I'm gonna do with you. Eh? Then you tell me I'm no blood clot ambition for lie down with man like Uno. My pussy and my pride and my jam, I couldn't let it loose for give blood clot, dog bed boy like uno. No boy will sleep past sponge and live worse than me could have fucked me, Zuma, never, ever, ever.
Zuma, you bring down. Bring down him big
no boy will live worse than me couldn't get my pussy as ugly as me. You see my pussy standard? And you see my life from me, you not in the category there for fuck me, not time.
Bring down him big belly.
I'm from last years. And when I eat that tell I'm baby kid to take for the boy Zuma, I'm never mama like you. I'm not say Zuma.
Bring him down like this.
Man, I'm not baby. You behave like a bitch. But Zuma, you know say me a big a bitch. Yeah man, a bitch for me.
Yeah.
You go like he's a slut.
Yeah.
Because where's a slut means a slime. Relax, man, I ease up off of the name now. Ease up off of the celebrity name.
Yeah, bring him down to lava. Bring down him big belly blood clot. Him study mouth blood clot. And this man made him for come off for your name. Bring him down.
Yeah, you go like you want just get up every day. Man, you ugly and me ugly. So you ugly, me nice.
You're not ugly, Mackerel. I just can't hide my problem. Yeah, you know.
I'm a lie, I'm a twist up Adam. Because when I suck the boy cocky, me, my mouth and the Adam I roll together upon the boy cocky. That way the boy there way up at heaven. But sit down right beside that Jesus. Suma. When me a suck the boy cocky and me Adam I run up and down my head so at the best moment. Yeah. I'm here. One time we can't. So I'm tell you how it cost me. But no can't cost girl when you never get a fuck off yet. Yeah.
Power top shot.
So you can't cost me. Cause you know no secret for me. You see me could have come back. If you all you could have cost me Zuma let's say man come fuck your pussy big. That if you do Zuma. You cannot cost girl about them looks. Don't cuss girl about them looks. Fuck me and tell me some pussy big. Then you're the win. You're not win. You're not got the tip on me. Come nice. My skin clean. Look for me, not one boss. Look for me, Zuma. I can't skin out of my pussy, no wetness. It's crazy, no junjo.
That mash up, show him that.
No junjo. Yeah. So I'm take a boy like you know as my toilet. Sit down in the face and shit in there. Relax. Ease out. Breathe out. Go scatter some foundation and some black packet. Go mix some blood clot cement and the things. Mix some concrete and throw it on the roof. So the man can get it for that. The house up and have no strength for blood clot. Tight pussy laddish.
Right where?
Clean pussy laddish.
Clean where?
Now the strength. Zuma not even 1.5 finger can hold up in me much less one.
Oh, you big pussy blood clot. You go too far now, but 1.5 finger can hold in you.
Not even half a finger can hold up in me Zuma. My pussy good pussy this Zuma. You want Zuma that name the pussy and belch all my pussy juice. And the things them, yeah, boy, best. Somebody will boy like Uno. Somebody will Uno, yeah.
Who died and she queen?
Chatting Zuma look boy. Relax yourself. We not Zuma look here. I know you're working hard in life for you to get a boss, but you are doing it the wrong way. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna sound tabs. Yeah.
But them have a style. Them just you have to live and abide by feed them rules and laws. And me pre-life, you can't be a man. You can't be a man under people government. So that's why I'm in a round my father's side of family. You see me, them loving, them take care, they will get a world. But me show you a thing. You have to kiss her ass. You have to under them regime. You have to listen what they say. You have to do what they say. And being a man, you cannot live so. I'm show you them things they were rules so. Cause you thought they were their mother and their father give them everything and I show them say fam. If them are gonna provide your shelter and your food and everything for your whole lifetime, you is not a man, you know. Once you have to depend on somebody else for gear you them, or for you eat, or for someone to live, you is not a man, you know.
Why cut him in that?
You see me? And me love my father's side of people and because why? Them loving. Them will give a world. Yeah. But you will not be a man under freedom regime because you have to listen what they say. You have to hear what they say. You have to do what they say. You see me? Enough of my family them get caught in it. Because them not understand say yo, bro, if you fuck up them not gain nothing, you know. If you even me can tell them anything, you know. Because me not depend on them for nothing, you know. You can't do that, you know. If you do that, you're hungry, you know. And some reason with them for teach them, but none of them not learn.
Yeah.
And my auntie them respect me because of that same way of me think. Because them know say, yo, bro, me used to come to you for clothes to go school and shoes and them something. Then me could have never make my daughter them come to you for the same thing. You mad? Oh, where? Would be a waste of a man, bro, like, for go get you now. Remember, them used to take care of you. You're a man now, you got breed people, girl, pitney get you. If you said people take care of you, for take care of them, bro, it's a work business that.
What?
You see me? And no, you no pre them levels of life, the brother. No, if you not pre them thing, the dog. You'll never be a man under if people take care of you, bro. Never. Remember, if a woman a mind you, you's not a man. Best believe, you'll never be a man. Remember when me broke and somebody else have
People, me not lie, me understand the levels where dog talk about. You see me? Because people, you see, if anybody I give you things on a regular, and them you go have as like whether your boss or you're done. You see me I say, with a family member or whatever still, you know what I mean? You just have them up there. So you see when them talk, you go listen. And you see most of these foreigners, you know what I mean? Remember me tell us that them controlling. Worse, them know say them a gear up. Them a go dictate your life, you see me? So in order for them make that happen, you show them say he's a man and you can stand up on your own. You see it? And you know, sometimes you go have a look at hard time certain way where you need to need a crutch or something or a shoulder or you know what I mean, somebody to help out a situation. Nothing wrong if you go to them same family where you show say you're a man, at least them are going to acknowledge or them are going to know say, them are going to see say boy you are do it yourself and a must you can't do it make you rally on them. You understand me? So let me know how to think, make watch some more.
do what me if you do. Yo, that's when me broke and somebody like say me broke and now I'm money to give my baby mother and you have to step up as somebody else and do it. That hurt my soul. That hurt me. So you know say you have to do it because me can't do it. And me know say me fear do it. Them thing that hurt my soul. So what if me go so hard for make no boy not take care of me youth them? For make no family not take care of them and me then look to. When my daughter want nothing now, anything she want make her mother tell her, she tell her say, Daddy will give me it. Anything that me like. And mother call me, you need to stop spoil the picnic when she over there. Cause when she over here so she expect you say thing, me say no tell me nothing. Not tell me nothing. When me buy the dear things them give them, love me because me never used to get it. No, back to school, my first daughter mother, she buy when me buy kickers them and she said, where I buy the dear boot for? Me say because me never used to get it. You can't stay there. Anytime I do it for my youth them, and them feel like say, I might be able mother and nobody feel like say, yeah, go too hard. No. Me never used to get it. Me do what me I do. Cause you see, if me not do it, them will grow up and then now gonna know say some man for deal we don't know. And them will grow up and move like some little bogo yaga. So me have to give them to make them know say, yo, it's when a boy want you, I send for treat you, anything I want. And you ask him, it's the same like you ask me and get it, I saw him for tip up to standard. Me don't eat that, you know. I'm tell you say yo, yes. me study life. Me young, but me tell them I raise with enough big man and I say you're not 20 years. And I say you're not 20 years.
I tell you, your brains, your body are 20 years, but your brains, they're way up there. Respect. Because the way you talk
no boy,
like
man.
On this earth,
no man, man, Christmas. I mean never get a Christmas. Christmas the chat tell you, Christmas tree in my house. Present I buy. See one of my daughter present on that bed there. She said she want for Christmas. See, one next sitting up there say for me daughter, who for next little one, for wrap, for put under Christmas tree. Me not play when it come on to my little two, you know. Christmas a come at 200,000, me put on from about September for done sort pandemic, you know, when they come this weekend, you know. Yeah, me not play when it come on to them, my friend, my baby man, them. You would have never come over here and see my baby man and start a live and say, me not take care of me youth them. Never. Never.
Yeah, man.
You have woman at town when I buy my baby clothes them from. She can tell us, say, yes, you. What the woman says when me young, me sorry, and name boy like you, me buck. Because she see me walk town and skull. She see me spend 30,000 with she and go around this and spend 40,000 with the next woman and go down there so and spend one next 30 grand again. And she say, boy, how so much clothes I buy for them? Yes. Nobody never walk with me and do that. You can't stay there. And then, you see the big one now, she grew up, she have sense now, so she understand.
Be courage.
You see me?
Yeah,
the big
man,
one that grow, so she have sense and she understand and know, say, yo, daddy, I go do it. So she reach a level now where she tell her mother, say, yo, thanks you feet, daddy, me go over daddy, me have daddy feet. Because she know, say, daddy, I go do it. And when people tell me, say, yo, you can't do this in the sport one day come when you can't do it. Me say if I go broke a blood clot shop, them all get it. Oh. Say, me say when you have it, me say, me I go have it for them. I say when you post and you have it, yo, and someone be a man I say, so when you have it, I saw them I go want it, me say me not go ever not have it for them. Me always have it for them. You can't stay there. Me always have it. Me tell you, say me broke. And my daughter they want 100,000 tomorrow. You see me give them it. Me broke for you, not for them. Yeah, man.
Shorty, how old is the youth?
Oh, one and two, one and 8. Me not play any command to them.
So 1 or 2, 1 or 8. Man. Why me proud of you, man? Me not gonna lie.
My first youth, be a man I can't tell a man. My first youth, why me even take care of them, so bro? See me first, I'm get my first youth, I could do it. I tell you, say a months, maybe a mother go and get no money. Months. Maybe a mother can tell you, months she go and get $1. Months. You see me? When my first youth born, me not too live no way. Me not have nothing, me have bumps round from work to work, from this to this. So it's where my first youth did it. Months she not get $1. Months. Maybe a mother can tell you, she call phone, you need to give me something now, you know. I mean, not have it. You say, no, she can't tell you. No, she can't tell you, so she cruising.
Yeah?
Yeah, because she knows she does, she knows the whole thing she need to call and say, when me for come. That's the whole thing she call and say, when me for come.
Yeah.
And me say, for tomorrow, for Saturday, for later. She not kill up herself. My next baby mother will text me phone and say, when my next baby mother text me, she say, it be every morning, that's all she say. Be every morning, and that's it. And by later money send, and next day money send. As somebody deal with them, my friend, then get it. We might not fully 100 in their life now, but when them grow up, them will understand and see the work that they put in for them. Them will know. Yeah. You see me? Me might not do that in their life now for carry you go to school and pick you up from school and them like a thing there. Yeah, but me there set a thing when I go there for life, you see. You see me there set a thing for know, so you know say yo, when you touch 12, 13, 14 I want to know one little part and one little room, you can say yo, I want to live with daddy and your room there so. Yeah, and you think them well said. I two carry in a two of them name already, you know. Two things that I want and I put in a feed them name, you know.
But you see me at
I buy a car. My first the car I want, I buy that, I put it in my big daughter name. The second car I put it in my small daughter name.
Thank you very much, guys.
Bro, I saw me do my thing.
What?
I say, alright, soon as I reach for one little level where I can have one business and sitting, and then reach a little level, I set up them bank account and set up two little things to them. I saw me pray, put some insurance on them. I saw me pray it, you know.
Yeah, man.
I saw me pray with that of them, brother, cause me no grow in no life where if you say, yo, me can't even tell people about my life. I ball people about when me tell them how me grow. So when them grow, me not gonna make them see them the life, they brother. When when holiday come and them thing there, them not have ask about dress up and then sitting there, they know say daddy yard. From them pull up, shopping. My big daughter know that.
Yeah.
My big daughter know that. Friends reach. Daddy, when we go shopping? When we go buy clothes? Them know whether anything, my friend, anything. Everything me do it for me youth.
My guys, me I tell them I talk to Cutty right now.
Them know, I'm them love me for that. Because them see say you one thing we might not have it, but I boy I make sure sitting there for them. Cause I know them not have it, so me have to go extra hard. I like say if one of them they have it, I know say alright. I want.
So the people, how that I go like how you put the thing them in the youth them name. Like if any little thing or what. At least me don't know. Maybe him see name they on the title, but female for them name they on. Me don't know. Tell me how it go, people. You see me? But yeah, me love how him, you know what I mean, have him youth them on a level where not too good for them, and him stand up in a them life. And I saw every parent we stand up in a them youth life. You see me, I said enough of we not really have it like that still enough of the time if you stand up in a the youth them life, or we want to stand up in a them life. But you have some man will have it and them choose to do otherwise with it than take care of them youth.
I kind of set one way, I have to go fully hard for she, but I want to have to set it. Me too be a man, them not too have nothing, bro. I don't say me I bash them, but them a work said we have to have things, but they're not too rich now. So me have to go and do it. You see me?
Yeah.
That's all.
And that is the important thing, because you go trouble them, and you bring them on the land, and you decided say you have to put something out there for them to make sure say them have it. Cause you never have it.
Anybody know me know say me know DB father, my friend. And any family know me say me is a loving family. Any family know, anyone in my family when I raps with, they know say, hey, you see if him hate you, I have to something in the doing. You see if him hate you, cause you see family when know say, yo, Cutty love them, they know say anything, then come and say, Cutty, they know, me did it for them. My family know me love them, but yeah, some of them, when they know say they wrong me, and me a boy, I'm not to forgive people. I'm not business, and I forgive and forget, me not forgive nothing. I not forget nothing. You see me? I saw me stay. You wrong me. I to death. You best believe it. You wrong me one time. Brother, me have family when I'm tell you this, you know. Me have family where me hungry and I'm telling dog, say, yo, they get too busy, me go run about with me and G them. And man say, oh, brother, give your friend them. Your family, your mother rich and have shop. And you know my mother not like me and deal me rough and deal me certain way. And the man give me friend them in front of me, you know. I to death man, my friend man, me not deal back with them, man. At your funeral me come, man. I'm mad. To death, you're crazy. A different soul, man, my friend, man. I rang me one time, man, in a life, man. I to death me care that, man, my friend, man. I'm mad, man. Worse, your family, friend have chance. Friend have chance, you know. Woman obligation. Friend have chance with me. Friend not a chance, friend, no who you not you know. Them no who you know obligation to protect you and make sure you're alright, you know. Family, blood, do that. Them who you that. For make sure say yo, you're alright, you're good. Family who you that for protect you. Is it once me say your family when about that? Mad man. Crazy. Me love my auntie them cause I know some tell you this. If I have a job tomorrow, they my first I say see sitting here, see helping on here.
Hold on. Cutty, hold on a little bit. When you born?
I can't say man, July I'm born.
July. Because
yeah,
you sound like how me sound, because I saw me thinking.
Well, I not forget people, my friend, man. One time I gave for wrong me, man, my friend, man. One time as a family, man. Wrong me one time, it done, man. Best believe me, your blood, me no blood again. Best believe, I me do talk to you, me still hate you, I gonna know. Stay there. You gonna know. If me even talk, you gonna still know say that boy don't like me, no. You gonna know. Because me don't know if it, me don't know if I play a hypocrite. Me don't know if I pretend. If I do me something and Me deal with a certain way you act. When you move so against me, I go tell you, brother, me not grow no corner. I say, you good man, no. Pussy, you did fuck up that time there. On that Tuesday, the 12 o'clock. Yeah, remember. I saw me stay. You can't stay there. I know when you do. Me know what you do. When you do it. You can't blow it. Me don't play. More time I say some things and my mother cry, man. She say, oh, you remember them they sitting there? Eh?
You remember everything?
Everything. For you wrong me, remember, don't feel me forget it. Do not. Yeah, man, no time. Brother, I see people.
Thank you guys for the follow. Thank you.
Do me certain things, brother. I see people do certain things, bro. When since me get little fame, me I walk in a town and I see people in my way I try. And I say, yeah, the friend I come and say about excuse. And so she have to look like she says, I'm really a look at me say, Get me. Brother, that's why I'm a rose, bro. That's the same thing. Say, what you see me do for myself, what you see me do, everything what you see me do myself, I feel me you them. Nobody else can inherit it. Cause nobody else name did it. You never see. I don't know. Even though you see, you still never have a helping hand.
Like Rosealee, we do the live and I put all on her door with chat name happy whatever, happy regardless. She Martin send me her content. All of a sudden she have a problem with Rosealee on the bike, but she have a problem with me talking about how Rosealee stay. You see how people stay upon the app, Mother Great One? You see how people stay upon the app? All of a sudden, you know, everybody have a problem with Rosealee being on the bike. All of who did a different Rosealee have a problem with she being on the bike. You understand me? All of them. You get what I say? So who really happy for who? Or them just hate the facts that me talk the story and me talk the truth before them? All Shabada does is sit on his fridge top and degrade females. True or false, people? Zandram and the lady with the lean glasses and the holy padang them in the house. Why? No, she came on and said, all me do is sit on my fridge top and degrade females. True or false? That's all me do, you know. But you know, hear she tear up diamond all. As a female, you know, hear how she tear up diamond underneath. You know, hear how she
The people, me did tell you already, you know, say no matter how you see these people forward on TikTok and go on like them are different certain righteousness and the whole of them are the same thing. You see me? The whole of them are the same thing. You understand me? So make watch some more, my people.
to bring them down, man. Remember, these are activists, you know, female activists, you know. Woman empowerment, them, you know. You know, you should tear up them crutches. Okay, I never did that listen. Yes, Sister Winnie. So you see, it's not that they have a problem with me talking about anybody. They just have a problem with me talking the truth before them. You see, no, they have a problem with me talking the truth before them. They don't have a problem with me, you know. They just have a problem with me talking the truth before them. They don't have a problem. Number one, they never can say, she bought a lime, in the strip talk. What do you say? And then he's so done. Child, please. You know that don't work with me, triple. Find another word. I'm very analytical. Find another word. Find another word, Miss Triple. Nobody use those because me look bullseye in a situation. All I talk about is that how can you be such an entrepreneur? You understand me? You have such an entrepreneurial experience and idea and ambition, but yet still you're under up 24/7. What time you get to monitor your business every end of month? Or your balance brought forward go? Or you open a new month of your business? Me want to ask you something. Me don't know how to keep books. See all the listing here for your Airbnb, and you have Shopper Mobile, but yet still you're here begging. What is it you're doing that is not sitting well with your business or your success? I'm still asking. Remember you alone reach from your 18, drop out of teacher school when you're 17. Come now, man. Go on, put two and twos together. I work on a chicken right here. Princess Doll, Ivany, yeah, so. Yeah, I'm in that class, yo. Cause you can't tell them, say, you never see me. I go like, you don't know me, don't defend me, you don't know me. Do not defend me. The worst thing after people who don't know you talk about a long time, I watch you play and I'm always rating and my dog, me I tell you say from a longer time, where were you? Where have you been? Oh, you never text me yet. Until me say you rate me. That is the problem. We lost a lot of ladies via this type of lifestyle plus behavior. We lost a lot of ladies. Everybody like to take sides and nobody like to split in the middle like Mountain View. Liberate over yourself, pain for everybody. So nobody wants to do that. You get what me I say? Everybody jump up. Chat that woman, chat that big girl, chat that about me Batman, sodomite, lesbian, gay, homosexual. Indeed, I've been clipping a one girl. And the same girl will not defend as she did a story in clip. Fear all was in clip case. And enough how we use we all as khaki case so body in a one way. Yeah, you know like your phone come with housing, we house the khaki. Yeah, I can't do that. All of a sudden, the man a Batman because when it's a syndicate or remember phone crutches now come with no one inside. Beware a bad dog. Remember phone crutches mark welcome is the mat that you lay at your doorway. That's why we tell us we jump up on the top about Giselle, yeah Giselle, and you will see a co-worker so she know them. Defend your co-worker. The whole on the walk out there pink pine people sound over mash up. Chad could have really look at me and me and Chad feel the same way. Oh, Chad feel look me now for me and Chad in a relationship. And if me shouting behave like yeah, then Oga skin out into the bed because me have to sleep and open up. So Oga pick out my cocoa. Oh, I go pick up my cocoa. Oh, I go play with my tambourine ball. Oh. Just want to know, somebody explain to me quick and fast. Me have somewhere now. Who gonna pick up a hook like that? One who gonna play my tambourine ball? One who gonna salt my June plum? And that one know. So when the whole nation a jump up and a pray up and a talk, they just want to build content. Alright, come here. I work as a 12 years after you're a billionaire. Come now, man. Where's the investment? Exactly, Winnie. Akim said, oh, I have a business, you know. I have businesses, you know. Promoter overseas that call me. When all of them, they gone. Promoter stop calling your business, them lockdown. I can't even understand what is going on in the app. Might as well hold on to come out like Jayden and say, you know what, me a craft and hustle and I want them to have to get rich. Might as well. Might as well. Yeah, the app is more profitable. The app is more profitable. So might as well not come out. Because it's pure educated people begging. Well, I never know. Thank you very much, my baby. A pure educated people are big. The older we ambitious, you see, and well educated, I would rather sit one place and build up stories in order to get tops or roses. We're so educated. When you say something come to me a while ago. I remember one time.
Stick up in right there, some people. So let me tell you something, people. Because it seems as if people have a problem with TikTok and persons like sit down and beg money. You know what I mean? You have a lot of people who have a problem with it, and I say people figure look work on way. Why do you work? To get an income, not because you love work. If you find a next way how to make money without have to be working, wouldn't you jump on that and do it? Seeing, so it's just like this when me did analyze to them people. Me see a brother review on Vybz Kartel song, seeing, and the man attack how Vybz Kartel like lyrical, and not only lyrical but educated. You understand? Cause some things we must say in the song, Zin, and he must say no man, like him flabbergasted. You see me, like him can't understand how this man is so brilliant and thing. Zin, enough people that say, you know, say him should have become a doctor, you know, say him could have become a teacher, you know, say Ray or Blay, you know what I mean, all different type of profession where they would have want him going, and he would be successful. But this I most me feel like successful him could have get and I doing music, and music being an artist is next to a craft. You see me I say, because artists, most of them was, you would have say craft, cause them a go dep on roadside, them a go walk up and down or something before they become what they are. You see me I say, so being employed good, you see me, because if you do anything like go to the embassy or nothing, you need a steady income, and for sure say yo you're cementing in the country and you're not eyeglass and ray, you work for your day. So but if you can't get the money without have to slave yourself upon a work, you can do TikTok, you can do Instagram, you can do all different type of, there's so many avenues right now online to make money or something. Why would you see a person on TikTok? Me not talk against nobody still now, but me just assure you say, if you get up on TikTok and make the money what you would make at a job, why not stay on TikTok? You see me I say, and no job security no did it still. You see me, and anything can happen at any time. You can't stop get gift or whatever. But if you stay up on TikTok and make it like how some of them make it, you don't really need a job. Just like Vybz Kartel me I say, if him did do a different profession, him would so rich and influential like how he is now, being that educated. You see me I say, because him, remember him sister will teach him, you know, from him a little youth, you know. She's a teacher, and Vybz Kartel way more richer than her. You understand? Me don't know if you don't understand what me I try to get at, you know. You don't have to do a regular job to get rich. You see me I say, or if you say you do something, because you can do something else where people maybe look down upon, but it can bring in an income and it can change your life. You see me? So we can look down upon things where, you know what I mean, where we look upon as careless then. You know what I mean? Because enough TikTokers out there well wealthy and I take care of them family and themselves, and I buy a house too, buy a car too. You understand? So me don't want to think my people make watch some more.
A lot of you guys never know say quiet period don't have a job. True or false? Mr. Keith, baby, a long time in the ear from me, and I'm a sweet baby, a long time. A lot of you guys never know the quiet period was without a job, don't? Okay. When I come from a program, I'm telling them, say, this young man don't have any work. No, quiet period is ambitious, he's very articulate, he's very this, he's very that. Alright, fine. So I'm gonna depend on to see my work. More want to tell me if you see my about 9 to 5 or a 24 hour. Eh? Am I about 24 hour? Or a 9 to 5? No. Don't. Alright, no, fine. Enough of that. Check Chadisha. Don't Chadisha come and say, I don't want, you see what got me out is the fact that they are calling me gay, and you know, I'm a father, and I have businesses. Then Chadisha, when you own them business, then Mr. Liar girl, when you own them business then, you have businesses that you don't have anything for putting away your rent. You have businesses and you don't have nothing to put in away your rent. Alright. Competition is tight. Them neck and neck in a nastiness. Them are all witchcraft worker. You never know that. Them neck and neck in a nastiness. How can I say Rosalie is a better behaving individual over Ivany? No way, Jose. Ivany always have a picnic with her hustle. Where Rosalie children them they done. And that we want to try find out. Ivany can't hold a man and Rosalie just always a walk a look people man when I want to make man clown around. I want to see the difference. Ivany willing to take up the creature and push them in her hole because she like the birds. You understand me? But Rosalie a walk a little down young boy, make a difference. Ivany moving her somewhere very nice. I will need to breed her because we know she a thief and lie and murder and everybody in a one. But Rosalie have no ambition, she still sit down in a Rata Castle, number 15. Dan, where you say out of your mouth, make it make sense. Ivany have one picnic, Rosalie have two, and Ivany try to make the eyes look the best. Rosalie not help her picnic them. Rosalie not helping them. So then as a mother, you can put mother test or female test together and behavioral pattern. Make it make sense, Dan. That's why we can't see what you try to say. When you say Rosalie's behavior, Rosalie not have no behavior. Then how can Rosalie have behavior when Rosalie don't know how to spend money? Dan, make me you talk now. Why you think all of we born with discipline? Why you think the whole of we come from a Christian home? Dan, not even you know how to behave on the app. So we don't know how you have faith in a Rosalie's behavior. These are the things that puzzle me now when I hear the conversation. Me I say, I want to let her know that nobody from the app don't respect she. I wonder if you don't see nobody from the app that respect you. And if you have somebody catch up tomorrow morning, they're going to tell you about the whole of your underneath, the whole of your 50-year-old underneath. Because no respect is given unto you. Because guess what? They're going to say you don't deserve it, Dan. What is it that you have been doing wrong? You never check out that yet. Show me your company that tell you maybe sometime puppy lick your mouth. You ever know if that is your problem? What difference have you made on the app? You understand me? For you to behave, differentiating behavior. If you put Rosalie and Ivany together, you get worse than dog shit. A preference, not honesty. Yes. And as a mother, Rosalie not behaving motherly. No motherhood name not be Rosalie. I want to bring herself for living. Rosalie bring on her whole family for living. Big difference. It's true. It's true. They don't necessarily Rosalie come on the app and ball and say tic-tac tear her life apart. You as a female, Dan, what word of advice would you have for Rosalie? As a female crying on the app, say the app mash up her family. What advice would you give to Rosealee? Lisa, you're right. What advice? Because if me like Rosealee so bad and she about said the app mash up her life, I said the app never mash up your life. You mash up your life. This is the thing. You need training in order how to be successful. You need to take it step by step. The problem is what you believe is success rush you too much and too quickly. And you spiral out of control. You only know to resort to the one thing you know, being you in poverty. A lot of us don't even know the psychological effect that it plays. That is why I sat on the app and I tell you to say, this lady cannot be helped. And God alone can help her. This lady cannot be helped. Number one, she's not even mature. She's not even mature. A lot of persons when we say, we realize that they, with them having a relationship, it shows me how mature they are. Not in the relationship. From a child, they must still pick me. Check Chad and the girl, they must live like US students. They are very dependent. Extremely dependent. Oh, you not see that? Oh, you mean you guys are dependent? Oh my God, and nobody don't see. Simple base, big up yourself, my baby. Very dependent. Explain. Thank you, my baby. Let me start with the lady. Very educated and very dependent on an individual to split bills. We behave like typically, we want to walk on bridge or share everything. When are we going to move out of the college life? Eh? Think about my baby. What girl? When are we going to move out of the college life? You notice independency comes with peace. It comes with joy. And it comes with happiness. Why the first time you go on my own, I need a companion? After I Adam, I look naive. Yeah, so let us all talk. That's why I ask myself these questions growing up as a child. Why we scruffle? Thank you, my baby. Thank you very much, my baby. Miss Chinny. Why we scruffle, right? This is the thing with me. We're puzzling me. We deny ourselves of our youth in order to be educated so that we can stand on our own. But what are we supposed to...
Well, people, who don't want to answer that in the comment section, make me hear the opinion on it. Make me watch some more.
As a child growing up, you want the perfect career, you want the perfect family, and you want to get married, though. But when you get all of these, why is it you don't give your life to the Lord?
Me hear she even come apart where she say, me want the boy if he cuss me. Forget. Like she da say, to be seen or nothing go on for me. That for sure you say you don't know what go on in a blood clad street. If you did know where go on in a street, you wouldn't make that speech there. I saw me know say I be a lie you come tell the people there. People them, I go tell you another lie where you tell the people them from what they are. Because some of the people are fooling at this blood clot, yeah. You see, when you no hear she come out and about, oh, him a pay me. And me have my family them, where this and that. And me have me, a lie she a blood clot tell. Nothing no go so. People, them say I know everything good for eat, good for talk. You see, if me I did one person, we use people fat and fry another person, me that do something on the internet here where a lot of women that say bumbo clot. So Dan, could I do that? Just something simple and show yourself.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think, right? And here I'm going to tell you about the lion man, you know, my people. He's a youth where him know how social media work. and him put social media before everything. Me I tell you that are the way me see it. Him put social media and him clout and him popularity before everything, and him know how to play along and stay relevant. So whatever, like Dwan say and them way them people, as me say, he's a youth when play along something, and him do whatever to make him stay relevant. If him say I pay him off to pay Shay to defend him, well, cool, him will do it. You see me I say? So wanna make me know wanna think me go watch some more.
She a blood clot lion. Shame him on the internet showing you say I'm a fool. I idiot that. I be a lying contel no. Be a lying contel no. You see, uno people where run with narrative say, oh, she have money, so she a defend. She can't defend one bumbo pussy blood rascal. Lie, she a blood clot tell. Girl we can barely buy food. Girl we hungry are killing a blood clot Belgium. Think about it. You have to thief a sick girl money. Fi go make a doctor spoil you. If me have money, me can't take your money unless I red eye me blood clot red eye. Because if my bank book full of money and me know say you're sick and you look on the time when you rob the girl, when the girl sick and in a blood clot needs. Me now have to come out come tell you the things them. You see the things them where you talk about me? Remember you not come with nothing new. Nothing new you not come with. Every woman, when them a cuss a next woman, then say them pussy big. A Jamaica national anthem that. So, you couldn't know that. But, here me coulda know now. Because me see a woulda going a your pussy and up to now me no hear you make a sound. As old as me be when me a fuck me have to make sound. So that alone show me say your pussy big. That alone, but yet still, you use no cuss and cuss people. Me can't put any man who fuck me pan a call, a speaker call, and say, what kind of pussy me have? And me now have to look, cock me ears to hear the answer. Because I know the answer where me I go get. So when you cuss and I say pussy, but we don't want to hear that. The people, they don't want to hear that. You say me at 55, alright. You tell the people them say me have in fast seat, alright. The people them will have sense. Me ask them more than one time. Can veneer go up on false teeth? Yes or no? The whole crowd say no. Thank you, bless. The whole crowd say no. So I want another light. Remember, you say you not tell lie on the internet. Alright. Me I go show no say I set that girl here, I set up the youth them. Yesterday, listen carefully, cause we are take out every she we are deal with. Listen this carefully. Cause you know when me talk, me just talk straight and plain. Yesterday when she dep on a live. No, it's a screen record, so the night before she dep on a live. She a talk about figure it out. And she sit down. You know what she say? And if you know depend the internet and know what go on, you not go say down a true ya talk. Listen me carefully now. She say, figure it out a bad man. And because him father did bad man. And him father bad man. That's why him go on the way him go on and whatever. And she say, him father and a bad man again, him a long time bad man. And that's why, whatever. People. Me I go show no say that girl ya instigator. You remember when figure it out and him mother kick off a day, ya? You remember when figure it out and him mother kick off a day where the woman come say? The woman say, the little boy no know him father. I want kid blood clot, yeah. Me just a show you that girl a wicked, you know. The mother say, the little boy no know him father. Like she da say, from she fuck the man, she no see him back. She no know, him no know who him father. But this nasty, stinking blood clot girl, me just a show you, you know. Remember, you know, you never see me a cheer for none of them are people up on TikTok. None of them. So I no like say people are going to say, oh, she a take up for them because whatever. Me nah pick no side. You never even hear me talk about the series. Anybody in a me comment where is a Leo, me I go tell you something about we. You see when we know say something fake, it can't entice we. You see true me know it fake and it not real, me can't watch it. It not entice me. Me no care about it. You see, if me didn't know say them a got deaf it and a fuck for and them, me don't want to watch it. But through my brain don't tell me say it not real. Me can't look. Me no want to see. Me no care. I don't care. It's simple. So it's not like say me I say alright. Me I take up for the youth them and me I take up. And when the incident happen with Naya, me see them a put up the youth them picture. Me no know them from Adams. Me never see them yet. I don't know them from Adams. I never see them yet. So it's not like me that say, like how me that say, Donna, me know Royal Dog, me know Swissley, me know Arthur, me know Roger, me know them. So me could have say, well, then they a long time and me have look of feelings to them. Whatever. I know not like that.
People, me for sure know say the whole of them TikTok are yeah like that. So me never ever quick to believe nothing what them have to say. Me take everything with a grain of salt. You see me I say? Cause I me remember no man. Me always I tell them say yo TikTok a WWE, but it can get serious like World War is it. So make me know only think make me watch some more.
And me just a look. I like me I say. You hear what the girl say? The man father a gunman. You hear what the man mother say? The man no know him father. Me want somebody come up in the box come tell me if I lie me I tell. The man mother say him a Akeem a Kian brother because him no know him father. Mighty God to blood clot. You want a wicked a blood clot girl than that? And now the girl a spin the narrative. I say me a text it pan Jayden. Me tell you say if you did know where me know the things them will come out of your mouth you wouldn't say them because I laugh off of you. I laugh all when I say they sit there I laugh off of you. I laugh off of you. And this is what me I go tell you, stinking pussy blood clot girl. If you didn't have man where secure blood clot Jayden, you could not talk like how you talk. Ah, lie. Everything where you hear that girl they come out come say be a blood clot lie. And me I go give you something for hold on pan. My people them enemy my enemy them and my people them enemy. And you come and tell the people them on the internet say and your people them with Jayden and you and who you can't do nothing a blood clot. Nothing you can't do. Nothing you can't do. Because if you did know where you fi know, you would not talk like how you talk. And because me never come out come tell you no. Me see you now yap and me see you try instigate on me with the same Jayden. You know why you instigate with me pan Jayden? Because you never know say my people. And that's why you instigating up pussy hole a be a lie you tell pan the blood clot internet. And because me never come out come tell you no. Me see you now yap and me see you try instigate on me with the same Jayden. You know why you instigate with me pan Jayden? Because you never know say my people. And that's why you're instigating up pussy hole a be a lie you tell pan the blood clot internet. Be a lie you tell pan the blood clot internet. Stinking blood clot girl. If that man get in a trouble right now, me can be a lie you come pan the blood clot internet come tell. You never know say my people them. You never know that. So when me I go call man pan Jayden when am my people? Tell me now. Come on now. When me and Jayden never have on the internet. Be real now, people. When me and Jayden never have on the internet. Who no come on now? For me, for call man, for Jayden. When film people them, and my people them. But you me no come out can tell that dog shit. Blood clot gal ya. This a gal ya, I draw allegation. And me just laugh and say, Kuya. Here ya. Here ya. Ask King Downer when me tell him the night when he come in our place. Me dey on my phone. Yo, I feel we youth take care of him. Go suck your mama girl, who you be? You know nobody boy, you go suck your mama be like your blood cartel. Before him even reaching at the place. Go suck your mama girl. Then time the man not dead yet. Go suck your thinking mama girl. You don't have nothing like you can't do nothing. Be like your blood cartel. Be like your tail. Lie, be a lie, be a lie, be a lie, your blood cartel. You come out and just tell lie on people for fun to blood clot. People, make me tell you this, and me I tell you this from my heart. You see, Jayden, and my people, them people. You're instigator. You stinking blood clot. You's an instigator. And that's what you do. You remember what day, yeah? Me go show no one other thing where the girl do again, you know. You remember what day when Jakes are going with himself? You hear the nasty, dirty blood clot girl come out say, Jakes grab our girl chain. Listen, you hear that all about Rosalie, everything we are going. Hear what she say again. Listen what she come and say now. She said, Jakes go rob a town what day, yeah. When he woman make millions, you know, he go rob a town and then beat him and chop him up. Remember say a Jakes have Rosalie blood clot card. I use it. I buy all $40,000 worth of pussy and I go to town, go grab one chain. Figure all a jail. And he have a woman blood clot card. People. You see same like how me there, so. Alright, me I go tell you no something with the axe blood clot Rosalie. Me there right here, so me make a phone call and me say with the Jakes thing. And the person could have called me back and said to me, say, no, that no go on. The only thing ever go on in baby mother make complaint on him more than one time, but she never press no chat. Ask her if she ever go do that. Remember, me no come from Seaview, me no know Seaview. And I me make me blood clot phone call. That's why me could have put up it on the blood clot screen. Me could have put up the text where the man text me back. Girl, you know nobody. You know nobody at all, at all, at all, at all, at all. Lie, be a lie, you come on the blood clot internet come tell. Why Jakes a go have him woman credit card in a blood clot pocket when can go do when want do with that all buy $40,000-$50,000 worth of pussy and got town and grab for people beat him. So we no hear about that. And you alone know that bumbo blood clot as you see look how youth a strive. And you alone know about that because you see the youth a bumbo blood clot strive, so you steer. You're wicked. You're evil. You're blood clot.
Yo, man, I tell people, yo, want to tell more the thing about Shay after hearing all of these accusations and, you know what I mean, thing and thing. Tell one to feel about Shay. Look go back in at me, people.
Wicked. When you strike on blood clot Jayden and when Jayden in a farm. Remember what Jayden said to you, you know, and where everybody tell you on the internet, you know. Everybody up to Lord Jesus Christ tell you if you go look for your blood clot, pick me them. Mary and Martha tell you that blood clot there. John and Joe. So if him say, go look for your pick them and leave TikTok loyal, that's all he say. The people them know say, you is a blood clot girl we can't hold nothing. And you have a video. Look, you know, you release all Rosalie mother. Me I go show you say me different from no blood clot. When you get the blood clot video with Ivany, a scream recorder woman send me the blood clot video. And when she send me the blood clot video, me text her back. And me say, this are no Ivany. I know Ivany this. What you come blood clot take and tell the people them say, a dog. Dog, I see where you talking to now. A dog, you make a girl. Me say, let me tell you this, cause me not cuss with you. A 5 year now you a tell people say you got blood clot Jamaica and you can't reach. 5 year now. If Father God help you one day, that's you can fly. You see the same people them where you say you have a protect Jayden, where you tell the people them one bag of lie. I want you put your blood clot foot down there and see if you go back where you come from. I want you put your blood clot foot and see if you go back where your blood clot come from. Because you say you can't stay where you're there and do the blood clot sky, the moon and the blood clot star. And make you show the people them who are cap, who are chat and who are blood clot lip service. Because all you can tell people, you know, fuck, pussy, mouth, this. Come on now. And me come on the internet come open my mouth. And for your 52-year-old now have a rotten teeth and you're 32, rotten teeth, 32. And you having so much rotten teeth. And you, of all person, I tell people rotten teeth make your mouth stink, girl. Girl, rotten teeth make your mouth stink. You never know that. Rotten teeth make your mouth stink. You have it on the two side. The two side you have it on. Me say me da go do something today. For sure you say you know nobody. And me say Father God, you can't use people fat and fry people, you know, you look good. But me just want to set an example and show people them how lie you be. Nothing where that girl they can tell you up on the internet, don't believe. I lie at this blood clot girl. Me say, look you know. You remember what day when Ryder die, just to get one little break when you start to Ryder. You see how she come out come cuss off the girl? For no reason at all. She and her suck all a woman. You see how they come deal with the girl though? Don't you know hear about nothing about the girl? Why? Because the girl look like she'll get a little shine. So, and that's why I know say you see your friend them around you, them not like you. Because your blood clot friend them around you see if them did like you see the things them where you that talk, them with a draw back and say, no Shay, I know so you go, that can go so and that can no, that can this, that can that, you're wrong with that. The only somebody where can tell you the blood clot truth a destiny. Can tell you say a liar blood, the things them where you talk, a liar blood clot tell. Liar tell. Yeah, wicked girl. You's a instigator. You instigate pan the youth them. You see, just like how you come out about the Jayden situation and you say you got a mountain. You is a girl when you hold back. If you have a video, remember say a Jayden run the blood clot app. And you have a video for Jayden and you no leak that blood clot there when him shame in one of the most blood clot disgraceful way. For the king of TikTok I tell you if you go look boy you pick them and you fucking a pampas. And you no lick. You wear that lick your blood clot chip. Look how you go. So you have to get it back, you know. I tell you. You don't know, though? Alright. Alright, on the internet, you go get it back. Right on the internet. So all where you cuss and go on and this and I say, people, today me a come in and me car and me a play one voice note. No voice note, one screen record. I hear the girl I say, big fuck out to man, load the boy alone. Let me say, so who are trouble Jayden? Me make a video and me say, Ush girl are the biggest instigator on TikTok. Are you me attack? And the people them give me the right answer. Me come back again and say, yeah, set up the youth them. So, oh, now yeah, turn narrative and say, me attack Jayden. Oh, me attack Jayden when are you me attack? Are you me a deal with you know? Me no need nobody to deal with you, you know. Me can deal with you by myself. Me no need no crowd. Me no need nobody to deal with you. Me can deal with you by myself. Because guess what? Me don't tell the people them where you go come with from last night, so you go come with my son. Listen this and listen this carefully. She come out again and she say, me come out and say, oh, my son innocent. People, me no come out here and tell you no say my blood bomber rascal son na real give me son pussy. Call him name pan any blood clot thing else but no suck your mama girl. Me come out can even show on the blood clot paper. Me no tell you no how much me give the lawyer man. Me no tell you no say me if I give him 1,000 more, me no give him cause the case dash out. So if you charge you say, and him charge you, oh him not there jail. Oh the case done and them give me the white paper. Me never go to a blood clot case for no say me forget white paper. How me that just can show no white paper so? Say the case dismissed. We got court 4 times and nobody don't come. The lawyer charge me $10,000. The person will tell the, listen carefully enough, people, no me not hide nothing from him. The person will say my son do what she say. Them say from last year September. February my son get locked up. So like the judge I say, from September, them say yes. Okay. Remand, cause you know get bail pan rape. Remand back for next month. We got court next month. Nobody show up, nobody come. Okay. Remand back for next month. We got court, nobody come, nobody show. Remand back, we got court, nobody come, nobody show. We got court again. The judge look back and the judge say, just get rid of this. Throw this outside because this not making no sense. That's why I'm not even give money another $1,000 because nothing in my case. He done getting 9 already, a 10 in charge. And him give me him get a copy of the case, the dismiss of the case, and give me a copy. And me and him sit down and talking at the office little and me gone. So oh me I go come tell you say me never come discuss the other case. Because the other case never no put together for me if I come discuss the other case. Me never discuss the other case yet. Me always a debate on the rape where you put on my blood clot pitney. My son a gallus. I know like your father who used to fuck you. From your 11. Yeah. My son is a gallus. So now put that pan in name. Me not talk about the other case because as me tell you now, when the case did just start and whatever and them a get up, when me go come on the internet come say, when me fi come say, I was there. Me know from earth and heaven saying that when me 150 bomber blood clot % sure. That when me know. So no girl, no boy can come tell me say my son are. Me and 3 girl come for them fuck and gone. Just like that. So what you want me to say? You come and tell the people them say me say my son innocent. A one case me talk about you know, and a one white paper me show for and that me come about it.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, make you watch some more and then we are gonna move on to the next.
You know, cause me want the crowd for know say see no go so. It dash out it done, but she still have it. You come back again, me go show you say that girl I want instigator. The girl when me and her did a war. You know what she said today in her video? She say, me call man for the girl. As 8 as the 2 we 8 with blood clot one another. Call her and ask her if me ever call nobody for her yet. Never in my life. Because guess what? Me and her never have a confrontation until we come on TikTok. And me no know which part in America she lives, so how me fi call man pan her. For sure you say he's an instigator. Be a lie your blood clot tell. Thank you, Mr. Be a lie you tell. Oh, me I go call man pan girl and me no know where girl there. We there in a 2 different states. Me and girl argue on TikTok where me I go call people for. Number 1, let me tell you this way you never blood clot no. You see the day when me dey on my live and the man call me, I think him call she first and call me after. You think I me go up on my phone and call him? You know why me never call nobody? Because me know exactly what him a go say. Me no business with you and your friend. And that him a go say. A people see it on the internet and tell him more than one somebody. And go ask her in front of me or behind me. If him say even nothing face it to her or nothing. More than him a say, two on if it done, it no look good, whatever. And him no do social media. The two on if it done it. So oh yeah, go tell people say, me care man pan woman. Which part? Where? When? When? Me just assure you say he's an instigator. Be a lie you tell pan people. You say me a 56. Me born 1973. You say me name Erica Bell. I read me name. You say me have 87 sex offender. So if you know say me have 87 sex offender living at the United States which part me live. Oh, you don't know if you get back your blood clot picnic. Think about it. You a tell people say my son they are prison. It too we have 2 blood clot picnic at prison. Your one get fair life sentence already. Cause you can't get her till she 18. Me no know how much for me I go get. So it too we have blood clot pit near prison. You never know that. You never blood clot know that. Your daughter do a life sentence. Behind bars. Franchise a blood clot baby. My one a 20 blood clot 9 and in just that. Good luck to him. Me's work to home. Me no need people for fight me war. Me study who no blood clot. Me study who no blood clot. Think about this. We know say you nah no shame. Because what you do now if you have shame, you would not do it. Number 1. Dog refuse you know. Puss refuse you know. Rat refuse you know. Cocky refuse you know. Amount of bad man we used to fuck you. Girl, remember say you come on the internet contact. The footprint is there. So how you condemn another woman we fuck bad man? Tell me now. You say me curse because none of me pitney them no come out to nothing. Alright. But your mother no curse fi have you a suck out under girl blood clot pussy. And make gunman have them cocky a back scars your blood clot jawbone. East, west, north and blood clot south. Your mother no curse that. Here another lie with the dirty blood clot girl. Me want to answer this to me. People in a foreign. Me not talk people where they are Jamaica. People in a foreign want answer this. The government a give a 3-bedroom to a single person. You nasty, stinking, dirty blood clot, you dirty girl. But your company internet tell the people them you have 3 bedrooms. Show me 2 room them. Show me 2 out of 3, you nasty blood clot liar pussy wall you. Ask the people them in the comment. Government a give a single blood clot woman will live by themselves 3 bedroom. You stinking nasty blood clot and boy government a put you in a 4. You suck pussy like a dog. I must eat and make you tell so much blood clot lie. Boy you live in a 3 bedroom. You stink no blood clot. Oh, me forgot some people then say me fi take it nice and slow. Which blood clot government a give you 3 bedroom? Whore, $1 whore. Which government a give you 3 bedroom? Are you alone? You don't have a chick and you don't have a blood clot child. So how you get 3 bedroom? But you can't show with 2. You are the baddest girl on the internet. But when you lie down in your room, you never can show what they look like. Why? Why you can't show what they look like? You have a paper bedded. Listen to this. I'm going to show you say. Every day you get up and cuss people. Me see you make a video. Me see you up on your live a cuss Tamara. And I say, Tamara need a bulb. But you know, look into yourself and say, Tamara, they are Jamaica. And you, they are foreign. From me born, me can see white fridge. And then change it to black. and then change it to silver. But the government still give you the white one where you have. So how you so rank? Oh, you so rank, but you pick out a woman from Jamaica. This are the thing when me try to tell you now. People where they are foreign not supposed to compete with people where they are Jamaica. When we are Jamaica, we struggle. We can have any kind of house where we can blood clot afford. But you, the big bad blood clot wolf, not supposed to be America with a white, they are blood clot Belgium with a white fridge where the government give you. Remember this. You see Ivany, you have to wash her foot and drink the water. Ivany make you step up your game. We never even see you wash plate. You never cook, you never do nothing. You see that day when Ivany take you on word for word, you start looking at yourself. Ivany a trendsetter for you. And that's why you change.
Alright, some people want to make me know what they think in the comment section. And we're going to go over Pretti Dan and the Lion Man. Because Pretti Dan want to know, you know what I mean, what go on with the Lion Man pertaining to figure it out and Hakeem and whatever situation them are spread. I say I go on between them and Ray. You see me, so I want to know hear Pretti Dan have to say, because I want to know tell me if you don't feel like say these people are blow that something out of proportion, or you know what I mean, there are reason to be concerned. You see me? So make watch some more and then move on to the next.
The game and go throw something over the dirty settee where you pick up out the road. Show the people them a receipt for something where you're buying at the house where you're in. Where your friend says a nail shop. Show the people them a receipt for something where you're buying at your blood clot house. Show the people them, come out, come show the people them, say, see it here, and me buy the bed here. See it here, and me buy the bed head. Come out, come show the people them a receipt. That are no bed head, so you can't come show nobody that. Come out, come show the people them. Make we see the receipt for something where you're buying at your house. What kind of jail call? Me can't, me not go take it. What kind of jail call? Me can't, me not go take it, you know. I'm my mother, me not go take it. I read, she read, so she call me and tell me say she read. Me take it, call her, cut her. Listen me carefully. You know nobody on the internet. And this are the next thing again. You see the next time you Ivany a cuss, just tell her say you thank her for what she do for you. You see from your thief the money for the sick girl. I saw you look into yourself. I said, bumbo clap, what money can I make? Remember, you know, from your dep on the internet, I scan everybody scan you know. Look on all the big mistake where you make. You try impress King Donor and your pussy leak out on the internet and shame you. You know why that happen? Because you no beard for all 3-4 days, so your pussy, the juice in your pussy, clad up in there, and then when you go up on your head, everything just leak out. Like a overflow. Because you no beard. You no beard. And that are the problem. 4 or 5 days what a juice clad up in your blood clot. That's why when you come on the internet and you try to impress King Donor, your pussy feel you as a young girl. Because you say you're young, you know, and me old. Look how far your pussy choose to feel you. On the great TikTok. I've cut off the collar. On the great TikTok, your pussy feel you. Out of everybody else. But you still feel like you're somebody on the internet. Your pussy are the only pussy where everybody on the internet having a damn phone. A man a fuck you and you don't make a sound. What do them people here, man? Oh God. Eh? Tell me. You are the only girl we say you are, because you say I fear the internet. So take it. Take the internet. You say I fear. Because nothing now go on for nobody. So take the internet. I fear internet. You are the only girl we say you are, because you say I fear the internet. So take the internet, you say I fear, because not now go on for nobody. So take the internet, I fear internet. Remember this, you know. Out of all of the mother them in the whole Jamaica. And you are the first man ever hear say give away a picnic for food, you know. And if I did the girl them alone, I said, me would believe, you know. And when me hear the woman come talk, it say, she send you a Uber Eats food. You don't know her. And you send the picnic come give her. Me have to wonder, say, Bumbo rascal. So the woman just give her one plate, give her one Uber Eats food, send the food to her. That's all the woman do, you know. Remember, say she a girl who can read and write. And she don't even know a woman name. She don't know a woman address. She don't know where a woman come from. Because she not interested. Alright, me glad say me got that pint there so me can touch that another pint you know. You say me a take up for Hakeem and figure it out because my son a gunman. So true Jayden mother give him. So that's why you take up for Jayden true you give for your pitney them. So your sister me and you same thing, we not different. Your sister we not different. Me give me a take up for Hakeem and figure it out because my son a gunman. And that you say, you know. And you a take up for Jayden because Jayden don't have a mother and your pity them don't have a mother. You see how life funny? You see how life funny though? Girl. All of we as woman come for fuck. So when you a cuss girl, see if you can left fuck out of it. Big woman, false teeth, fuck who and fuck who. And make me tell you this, and me tell you this straight and plain. If you feel like you're a bad girl, Shay, go to Jamaica. Go to Jamaica. Because you say, your people them respond to Jayden. So like why your people them respond to Jayden, come we go to Jamaica. Come we go to Jamaica. You don't have to empty out your bank book, just buy a ticket. You don't have to empty your account, just buy a ticket. I give you that challenge. Just buy a ticket, you don't have to blood clot, empty out your bank book. All along you dep on the internet you starve, you know. A TikTok liar back you ride, you know. And true you come with the group. You feel like people like you. Germs. Nobody know you are the most hated on the internet. Me did think of Vani one night time, but you are the most hated on this blood clot, yeah. And me go show no this girl is a wicked girl and is an instigator girl. Who did dep on her life a day when she tell people to send things to her group? So fear group and a mix up group, you know, but she tell them to send people business. You see how that's there? That I just show me, I show you then dirty blood clot girl that's there. All of them.
Yes, me tell a lot of people say, yo, you all of them people up on TikTok guys same thing. So she are the one who always put out people group business and something and I say why this and that and ray. And you see it himself have group also. You understand me? So you see a double standard. Yeah. So the whole of them chat people. We tell them say the whole of them are the same thing. You know what I mean? So make go watch some more people and then move on to the next.
Have group. This our next point when me I go touch. When me I listen to scream record, you know what girl say? A girl say, me and people dep on group call last night, dep on her name, and one away mute the call and she dep on the call. Girl, a modern time now, a civilized time now, can show that blood clot scream record. Can show a scream record. People, who don't know me now, no reason for telling none a lie. You see that phone here? It alone about, let me see. Let me put here four somebody on TikTok have the number here. I think what they me give Sky the number. But we not talk on the phone. She did fi send me one video. All know me no know if she send the video or not. Cause me no go back on the phone. A one number TikTok liar for me. And a this. You see this? This no use more than 35 days. This no use. I told them me go look for it because I ain't no way there. I'm plugging it right now. And if you can prove to the people them say, me did dep on a group call. I wonder when the last time me and TikTok liar talk on a phone. Maybe almost 2 months. So me da want to know if 4 somebody have me number on TikTok. 2 of them me no hear from them, me no see them on TikTok again. If me ain't talk no more to me back, them come off of TikTok completely. Me give Sky the number what there ya. And TikTok liar. So who am me go have a group call? Where she come out and say we dep on her name in a group blood clot call. And me can turn on the blood clot phone and show no say I lie the blood clot girl I tell. Me can turn on the phone and show no say I lie this a blood clot girl I tell. Lie ma tell. One number TikTok liar for me and a this. You see? It just a command. Me no give nobody my personal number because when me there work, me no want when me there work I'll not meet and them then my phone ring and then cause they no allow we with phone and we run risk and take up phone. My what happen? And we run risk and phone. So me give them this. Most time people me no carry this and that's why sometimes when they mix up me no get it because this left. TikTok liar can't tell us enough time she come she no get me cause if phone left on me yard and me there work. Cause me don't used to carry 2 phone go work. Then 2 ya. This and that. This one me have TikTok pan. And the girl come out this morning and say we dep on group call and she dep on the call and she know everything. And me look into it and me say, Father God, if lie was the lottery, you win it more than 100 blood clot time. You win it more than 100 blood clot time. The girl say we dep on group call. People, all of the girl them where you see them on TikTok, all of them, me can't count on the anya how much of them me and them ever talk on phone. Me and Big B talk on phone. Me and Brina talk on phone. Me and Kay talk on phone and me and TikTok liar talk on phone. Right there so. And the 2 people them when me tell you say me no see them on TikTok again. Me and Kay not look here. The phone cannot even turn on. I'd be right now me I see night blood clot. I see him phone this way girl so we dey on group calling I know. Just so long me tell you say phone dey about the place me can't find you know. So me no know what me if I dead if I bill pay for it you know. Cause 4 phone me pay for every month. And she say me dey on group call. And we are call up her name and she did there listen. I show more show now the last time I talk to TikTok liar. For show no say I lie this a blood clot girl I tell. She good I can quick for tell you cause fear phone and this now come on. The last time we hold a conversation. You want me tell you the last time we hold a conversation? When the Peter gay, we never talk back from that. How long that? When Jakes just come out. How long that? She is the only person we put somebody on the call to make it call be a 3-way call. So what kind of group you put me in now? Because you did do it the first time. And you come out and you tell the people them say, me no know nothing about the group and me not in the group. I must say one time me text in the group. And when you see say, me a take up for TikTok liar, you change the narrative. You change the narrative. You know, next thing when me see you do, when me know say from heaven and earth. If anybody in a comment where Leo, anytime we are gonna do nothing wicked, we laugh us, you know. Anytime we are gonna do nothing wicked to blood clot, we laugh us. We laugh us. And then we go full speed ahead. If one day, as I state, me say when we are gonna do nothing, we laugh us. So a person thinks that we're not serious because I laugh, we laugh. I had a side of we are gonna say. Me say girl. Me never know say a girl. Me never know say a girl where Tasha, where me no know from Adams, could have tell so much lie for me when me never seen in my life. When me that really want to do something. When me that really want to hurt. Like really hurt you. Just for the lie them what you tell. Because your lie them are not normal lie, you know. Your lie them have to set up people. And set up people against people.
Why you take everything for joke?
Oh, no.
You don't know?
I don't take
it.
I really take it. I really take it.
One thing me have to say to you, serious, and I did laugh. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you go on. You know, when you have to say real. EJ, you know, say real all I know, yeah. Alright. You know, say real. Everything I joke, Jayden. All right, yeah, so. Everything right over here, so. Bronx, you're the real legend, boy. When me ask, you know, everything over here a joke. You're not, nothing over here not serious.
No, not saying not really, but when it come off of TikTok and them thing there, it's when it come off of TikTok and them thing there, me take them the thing they serious as it, but when it's when it go when I mean that thing, but when it's when it come off of me that like come off of me that man want to do me something true, me take them thing they serious.
Oh, you mean? You not take no threat at all, like me boy. None. You will feel like you have no friend for your Jayden. Be honest with yourself. Talk it, look your own self in a eye, you know, in a mirror, and ask yourself the question here. How much friend you have for your Jayden?
That's a two friend.
Alright, my people, so tell me all the thinking in the comment section as me say more. I know if the things say that my blow this thing here out of proportion or what, because me personally, my people, the lion man good. Him not have nothing for her, but me don't think them youth here are pre the lion man in a no way, people. Big man thing. Because everybody's supposed to know this youth here stay. Him just grow on, make fun, you know what I mean? Go on with him look a fool in his and go about him business. Although them say what joke to you, you understand a different thing when it comes to a next person. So upon a level, you know what I mean, we never can tell, but I don't feel like say them youth here are pre the lion man in a no way. You see it, so make a watch some more.
Two.
Yeah.
And you can put your head on your block on that. This is your brethren them there, your friend them there.
For one of them.
For one of them, are you certain?
Yeah.
Alright. And only two of
So we are saying, man, no, we don't like each other, yeah.
you see one time I did say, you hear where everybody say, lie down and tell, but how much of time you see them claim to friend, say friend ya, overthrow them one another over ya, bro? How much time?
What time?
What do you mean here? This one you cost we die for. We $150. You fuck somebody wife. Hear about it.
True.
So in a real life, what is real over here? None of this rascal, only kind. I lie me I tell. The kind them alone real.
All of that, yeah.
The people them who are show them money. We get this entertainment at them, you know. Because if you look funny, remember I use one day, Jayden a good you, Jayden a go answer one. How much time you see people, the one somebody continue send you a request, no matter how you decline it, no matter you feel like me I deal with, and I use them, no, them a try be Jayden. Them a try to be the king too. Do you think say everybody does go on all hail Jayden for the rest of them? Like, come on now, Jayden. You know that's not the fucking truth.
True.
I know all hail Jay. Them want that they spot there too. Who no want your spot, Jayden? Who? Remember said the other day when you low number one, you know. Remember I now low, you low it. I went to you decide to go back feed. Look on the fight where you get.
Real talk, you know. Cause you know, so me love it for a long time, bro.
Me about 3 months.
You want 3 months, me love it for, you know.
Me about 3 months. And the one time you decide to go feed out of some playful fun, rascal, I want the smoke tonight. Yo, my side. Yo, put you up there on the podium and where your side do? Put you up there and walk me next day. Bumbo hole. Some of them no rate it, them a be a fight, them a fight, them a pussy and them boy you see we how we are. Come on now, Jayden. How much days you could have take blood clot number one for yourself? Every blood clot day, if you did one. But the one time out of 3 months where you do it, you see the big blood clot pain where you cause. You see trouble where you cause. You see, I hit me, I try to tell you, nobody no want to be a brother Jayden. Nobody no want to be a sis God. Nobody no want to be blood clot your son. They want to be you. I am the next Jayden. You think nobody all hail Jayden, all Jayden. Them want praises. Them want number one. Them want the app. Them want be king. Them want that. As soon as I get number one, I'll be a screw face, I say.
Real talk. And I want time.
Eh? The one time when you get it for the 3 months where you allow it out. Everybody a screw. All people where you say, Rascal, God, this is one somebody a screw. And you get all number one 5 times for a month. And them look a style and we allow it out. You see me? Big strife because you're a threat to them. Threat. And on a brother thing, oh Jayden, my brother, you one big threat to them youth. If them the youth, they come back for number one, we not see it. True. You have the strongest team for you. So if you decide for one number one every day, them are going to give you. So I don't like say they want to see blood clot Jayden with it. Jayden I do with what? So the first time you come for number one now a fight. So all me I tell you now, listen to what me I say to you again, you know. Where is the love boy? No love not the boy, the kind them love. The kind them love me, G. So they're willing to do all kind of sitting feet. I put it down on the road. Hello? Bookie, what there? Me there. Eat it.
What going to eat up?
Me there, man. Bookie, you can't call him eat it, because remember you suck pussy too. You know, so me kind of get a break. Me get a break too, but that no mean so we not suck pussy. Me kind of get a little break. Not different one cigar your mouth already, your bowers. I just say go. So you know, say, watch out. And I just one time, whenever nothing like no 2 or 3, you see me? Let me tell you, if I once you taste it, lick it, anything, your bowers. Alright. Big bowers. So, me no consider it as that. What you consider it and what you do? Taste it? Like this man, we are eating right through. Jayden never suck a pussy yet. That's how your mind tell you? I know my mind tell me that. Me know suck pussy man when me see them. You more for bow. Me do it. Yeah man, any man we see with them beard there. Them beard there.
People, me feel like say yo, this is all an act. Bigger one thing. My belief is that this is all just a act. Bigger man thing.